This is Susan Vincent, and today we are going to look at a way provided to you that you have access to creating and viewing your files anytime and from any device. This feature is called Microsoft OneDrive and is available by logging on to your district email account. If you navigate yourself to the regular login screen for Office 365 and type in your regular Bullitt County email address and your regular password, you will be able to access your email as normal. Once you get to your email inbox, you will see a colored menu screen across the top. OneDrive is one of those options. Click on OneDrive and it will take you an area where documents can be created and stored. For those of you who may either yourself, your children, or your students may not have access to Microsoft Office products at home on your regular computer, you have them available to you here online for free. If I want to create a new document, I can come right up to the top and click on New, and it gives me the ability to create a Word document, Excel, PowerPoint, Microsoft OneNote, and even an Excel survey right here online and store it in what would be called the cloud. I can also create folders to help keep myself organized. So if I want to create a Word document, I just choose Word and it will open up a typing screen, very similar to what you're used to seeing when you open up Microsoft Word on the computer. PowerPoint and Excel would be the same, very similar in look as you're used to seeing them. This will give you the ability to type as you normally would, create your document, edit it. I can highlight, I can bold, italicize, underline, change my font as I normally would on any of the programs I use on the computer. But notice when I come up here to File and Save As, there is no Save button. I can create a PDF and I can download a copy to save on my hard drive, but to save it to my OneDrive, or what we call saving it to the cloud, I click back out of here and it is automatically saving as I create it to my OneDrive files. All I need to do is give it a name. So I'm going to come up here to the colored menu and click on the word document at the top, or if I'm on the online PowerPoint, I'm going to click on presentation. Excel, it will say workbook. I'm just changing that word document to the name of the file that I want to call this, and it will save that. Once I click out of it, it has given it that name. When I want to go back to my list of files, I'm going to click on my name over on the left, and notice that it has named that file and it is in my list. Now, if I want to create folders in order to store my files in, all I have to do is click on the New button, click on New Folder, give the folder a name. For example, if this is first period information, I might name it first period. If this is math information, I might name it math, and so forth. Click the Save button and it will create that folder right on my screen. Now, if I want to put this file inside of that folder, I'm just going to take that file, click on it, hold down my mouse button, and drag that file up to that folder and let go. Once that folder is highlighted, it'll take just a few seconds, and that file will now be inside of that folder if I were to click on it. This program also gives you the ability to share and collaborate on documents, which we will cover in another tutorial video. In the meantime, check out OneDrive and see if it is something that you might use in order to have access to this on any device. Check your devices. If you have Apple devices, iPhone, iPad, iPod Touches, whatever, look in the App Store and download the Microsoft OneDrive app from there. If you have Android phones or tablets, look in the Google Play Store, or any Windows devices, you will find the OneDrive app to download to any of those devices, which will give you the ability to read those files and edit them from any device, including your computer. Thank you for listening, and if you would like more information about Microsoft OneDrive, I encourage you to contact your building technology integration specialist.